All right. So I want to go over the settings in the phone number system here. This is just to kind of go over the different types of setups that you can have for for a specific phone number that's on your account that you've purchased. All right. So I'm going to go to settings on the left here, and then I'm going to go to phone systems. Scroll down. I'm sure I passed it. All right. Phone systems on the left. All right. So now you have the phone numbers that you've purchased before. Now the settings have changed over the past few months, so we're going to go through that list. So I'm going to click on this one right here. We're going to click on the three dots for the one that is in question. So three dots on the right. We're going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Edit Configuration. Okay. So now we have our Basic Details tab, our Call Forwarding tab, and our Advanced Settings tabs. For our basic details tab, we have our friendly name. This is where you can put the actual name of what this phone number is or what it's for. You can put the company name there. You can put like some type of internal name, something that you recognize that that's what this phone number is for. If you want to leave it as the actual phone number, that is totally fine as well too. All right, so your calls go to. This is select how the number should route calls. If you want this to go to a specific team member, you can just select the team member. If not, you just click on the X. Okay, but let's say we did assign this to a specific team member. Let's go to, we'll just go back to, let's go to Frank K. Right now, Frank K has different ways that this phone number can reach him. We have the web app. So if you're on the computer, it'll call through the computer. If you have the app on your phone, it'll call through the app on the phone. If you have a specific phone number that's connected to this as well, it'll ring just straight to the phone. But the phone, it may not show you who's actually calling. So a VoIP desk phone, that's also just a desk phone that you have at work. It could be it's almost kind of like a landline that's connected to the company. Um, And then we have our call recording here. If you want to do call recordings, you just turn this toggle on. And then we have the call recording message as well too. This is the message that it'll state, but you can change this as well too. So if you wanted to say something else, just type that in this field right here. Call forwarding tab. So the call forwarding tab here, we have our first priority here, an external phone number as well too. So if you're routing calls to an external phone number, you can type that in here, right? If it's legit, it'll light up um, blue around the border here. And then the voice AI also can pick up. Then there's a business phone number as well too. So let's say if we wanted to edit that business phone number, let's go here. Doo-doo-doo. All right. So if you will need to edit the phone number for your business phone number, you just edit it on the business profile page here. Okay. All right. Now, if you wanted to ring to more team members, you'll just click on this right here as well too. Um, if you want, let's see, the timeout. Okay, so the timeout, the incoming call goes to backup after timeout seconds. All right, so we got 20-second timeout. I would say, let's say if it's an incoming call, let's say it'll ring 20 seconds and then it'll go to voicemail. Okay. The outgoing 20 seconds as well too, or zero. You can do either or. Um, but the timeout has to be checked in order for it to actually operate. So since you have zero, there's no need to have it turned on. Your backup, the voice AI inbound calls. So that's what is connected to that. So um, it'll time out and then it'll go to the AI pickup. Okay. If not, then normally the voicemail pickup, if you don't have this turned on, um, this is where the voicemail will pick up after 20 seconds. Okay. All right. So the priorities here, just to explain what the priorities are. So let's say if the call is being forwarded, it'll go to the team member first. Okay. Then the second priority is if, let's say, if this, isn't an option, then we'll have the external phone number ring, then the inbound calls. Okay, so that's the order. Advanced settings, call connect is just where, let's say, if someone, this is for like if the call being, is being outbound, then they have to pick like a number. They'll press a key on like the keypad as well too, and then it'll connect the call to go through. Okay. So just showing you what this message says here so you'll know as well too. So it helps improve the call reporting accuracy for inbound calls. Did I say outbound? I meant to say inbound. Um, ask the call receiver to press the key on their keypad when they receive the call, and then the key validates the call and is answered by you. Then here's a message as well too. That'll be done as well too. So you'll hear this immediately after answering an incoming call. It can be used to gather context on the incoming call, like the context name, source of the call, and so on. So it's almost kind of like um, verifying the call before they reach you. All right. So bring your own phone. I'm sorry, bring your own number here. That's here. So display your existing phone number for contacts that are not in your database or in your account, your CRM, in the list of contacts that you saw. Um, so data display your existing phone number to contacts when you're making an outbound call. Okay, so this is also known as the verified caller ID. So if you set that up, you'll see those options here. All right, so the phone number I see when receiving the call, you either see the contact's phone number or the CRM's phone number. So that would just mean the phone number they're calling from or the phone number they're connected to. So then we have the preferred forwarding calls to. If you have this on, then you have the contact's owner or the phone number's owner. Okay. Then connect me to the contact. It's for outbound calls. So this will be immediately after they answer or after the call recording finishes. All right. So these are the advanced settings. These are our call forwarding as well too. And then we have our basic details. All right. So make sure that you go through these and set these up as needed. Once you're done, click save and it'll save all the information for you. All right.